Si Ate Mike naman, tinaunta be, kung ano ni siya ka, be. Adok ni siya eh. May skirt siya, dapat mga ano, di. Na eh, hindi, adok sa'yo ba? Nanay daw na, adok.
I took video, I stopped.
Boy.
I was scared because I was like jumping so high and the phone is like and I don't like they keep it
Tibay. Tibay ang driver. Tibay ang driver. Mayugin mag-drive. Ari na.
You want to do it?
Scary.
We get a friend like
This one only I want. Sweetheart. This one only I want.